Hello friends, I am Dr. Vasanta Kumar, consultant physician practicing in Chennai. Today I am going to give some important information for the medical sales executives on prevention of coronavirus exposure at the workplace. As you all know, coronavirus is not going to disappear soon and the threat will be with us for several months. Being a medical sales executive, you are at an increased risk of exposure at workplace. So you need to follow certain precautions to avoid the exposure. I am going to tell you 10 points now. We'll see one by one. Point number 1. Please wear a simple and easily washable dress like a pant and full sleeve shirt. Better avoid coat shoot and a tie. Please avoid belt, wallet, watch and rings. Point number 2. Always carry a alcohol based hand sanitizer and few bits of paper. The usage of paper I will explain later. Point number 3. Please carry only the minimum required money with you and do digital transaction as much as possible. Point number 4. Avoid carrying a bag. Instead, you can carry a tab or simple visual aid with you. Point number 5 regarding masks. Nowadays, it is mandatory to wear a mask when you come out. Being a medical sales executive, you are required to visit many hospitals daily. So better you wear a N95 mask. A N95 mask can be used for 8 hours if it is used at a stretch. Whereas if you had to take lunch in between, you will require 2 N95 masks, one for the pre-lunch use and the other one for the post-lunch usage. Please avoid taking snacks and drinks in between, as it is not advisable to remove the N95 masks frequently. Instead, you can take plenty of water or juice at home itself before leaving. Please avoid touching the front portion of mask unnecessarily. Point number 6. Lift usage. Lift button is a potential source of infection. So avoid touching the lift buttons with your bare fingers. Instead, you take a paper and cover like this, cover your finger like this and then touch the buttons. Carefully keep the paper in the same position and when you come out, dispose it off in a closed dustbin. Point number 7. Similarly, in clinics, to open the door, use your elbow of your hand or foot. Please apply hand sanitizer before going to the clinic and after coming out. Please do not touch the walls, chairs, tables and files unnecessarily. If you had to touch them, apply hand sanitizers immediately. Please maintain social distance at clinics. Please avoid sitting on the clinic chairs or being inside the clinics for a long time. Point number 8. Returning home after work. Better leave your tab or visual aid at your vehicle itself. Please leave your shoes outside your home. Ask someone at your home to keep the door open in advance so that you can straight away go into the bathroom. Remove your clothes, soak it in soap water, have a head bath with soap and shampoo, then put the clothes in washing machine. Point number 9. Decontamination of mobiles and glasses. For decontamination of mobiles, take a microfiber cloth and spray sanitizer on it. With this cloth, then wipe the mobiles or tab. For decontamination of glasses, wash it with a diluted soap water and thoroughly rinse it under running water. Point number 10 regarding mask, N95 mask. You cannot afford to use 2 N95 masks daily because N95 masks are little costly. So you can reuse it on rotation basis. So after carefully removing the masks, put it in a paper bag for 3 days. During these 3 days, even if there was any virus on the mask, it will automatically get disintegrated so that it is ready for use after 3 days. A N95 mask can be reused at the maximum of 5 times only. Finally, some general points. Regularly and thoroughly clean your hands with alcohol based sanitizer or wash your hands with soap water. Maintain physical distance. Do not touch your eyes, nose, or mouth. Thus, we finish all the points. Dear friends, by following all these measures, I hope we can beat coronavirus. Thank you.